Hello and welcome to Manufacturers Make Strides, the podcast where we dive into the world of manufacturing, speaking with experts from right across the industry to bring you actionable tips and insights that will help you take strides in your career. I'm excited to be joined by Janelle McGrath, who's CEO of Market Veep. With a unique focus on marketing made human, Janelle has worked across a variety of industries, including manufacturing.
You would have one end of the spectrum of people who were ready to embrace technology and digital, and lots of conversations that were super traditional. Well, we go to trade shows every year, and that's how we get our leads. Or things like we had somebody say to us, well, I'm interested in doing an email campaign, starting email marketing. We said, that's great. You should do this cadence and get things ready. He goes, oh, no. I mean like twice a year. I think there was a massive shift with COVID when a lot of these manufacturers could no longer rely on trade shows and in-person events, tabletop events, that they were kind of forced to have to open up their opinion and try some different things. I think of AI kind of the same way that I'm sure it was when the internet first came out. It's like a phased approach. It's not like everything all at once and going to take over the world. I think that it's been really refreshing to see people use it to help things in like their sales script and their messaging, to help with their tone and voice, to make sure that there's consistency across that entire pipeline.
What role do you think social media plays, and how do you think businesses should be making the most of social channels?
I think it's an untapped channel. There are things like, streaming events, but their salespeople are still kind of stuck doing these basic traditional things of just doing a connection. They're not leaning into using video messaging in their outreach. They're not using remarketing for their ads, real user-generated content. So real photos, not overly edited. Those did much better than the really polished photography.
That's just a preview of what we cover in this episode. If you're in manufacturing and you want to hear real conversations that'll get you thinking, keep you moving, and remind you why this industry matters,